Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can upload your photos to iCloud. Now you cannot go inside your photo to individually click on a photo to choose that photo to be backed up on your iCloud. No, there's a setting on iCloud called photos. If you turn that on, then every single photo which is inside your phone's gallery will automatically be backed up on your iCloud. You cannot choose like individual photos to back it up. All the photos will be backed up automatically, alright? So for that you need to click on setting of your iPhone, and from over here at the top it shows you your iPhone's name. My iPhone's name is Jake, so I will click on that. Yours might be different, but doesn't matter. Click on it. Once you're over here, you can see this option called iCloud. Click on iCloud. Once you're over here, you can see this option called Show All. Click on it. And from Show All, as you guys can see the first option, Photos, click on it. Once you click on it, make sure it's on, alright? Once it's on, basically done. Now every single photo which is on your iPhone or video which is on your iPhone is going to be automatically backed up on your iCloud. As you guys can see, since my iCloud is already full, it's not being able to save my latest photos and videos on my iCloud. So if your iPhone's iCloud is also full, then it's not going to save your latest photos and videos on iCloud. So you need to keep that in mind as well, alright? Because if your iCloud is already full, then the only thing you can do is buy more storage, and they have like a $0.99 monthly subscription to increase your storage. So you can buy that subscription as well if you want to. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can upload your photos to iCloud by turning this setting on. Now all of my photos will automatically be backed up. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. And you can also do this. Just come on Photos and click on Resume Syncing. Click on Resume Syncing and all of your latest photos and video will be started to be synced on iCloud. Alright?